Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Horror Story by Arden Jones. Oh. Alright, so make sure you got your ukuleles and make sure they're in tune, G, C, E, A, and let's get to the chords. I wanted to butt in and say don't forget that you guys can go down there and next to the subscribe button, if you're not already subscribed, you can also join and be a member. You get exclusive content, responses to all your comments and badges and a bunch of other stuff. So if you want to support me and do that, that would be awesome. And I'm planning on doing more stuff on this channel, and I'm planning on doing other things, but it's up to you guys if you want me to do them on this channel or create a separate one for it. Kind of like kind of vlogs and other stuff. Like I'm learning Japanese and stuff, and some people wanted me to do videos on that, but I don't know if I should do it on this channel or another. But I'm always going to be doing these ukulele tutorials, so that would just be extra stuff. So should I do it here or on the other channel? I don't know. You guys let me know. Okay, so there's only 4 chords in this song, and he plays those ones over and over again the whole time, so it's a super easy song to start with. The first chord is an E minor. It's the staircase looking one. I like to play it with my pointer finger on the bottom string 2nd fret, middle finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and then ring finger on the 2nd string 4th fret. The chord after that is a G. So you put your middle finger on the bottom string 2nd fret, your pointer finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret. The chord after that is a D, which is just these top 3 strings on the 2nd fret. So you could play it like this. Some people play it with their thumb over it. I like to just put these 3 fingers on each of the strings. And the last chord is an A minor, so it's just this top string on the 2nd fret. I like to play it with my middle finger. Now let's get to the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern for this whole song is just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So playing through E minor, G, D, and A minor, it'll sound like this. Actually, he plays a little faster. So it's a pretty easy song, but he just strums a little fast. So if you don't know that pattern, I suggest just practicing, even without switching chords, just practice the down, down, up, down, up, until you can get that pattern, until you can get that rhythm kind of built in, and then you can go faster and go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, now let's go ahead and sing part of this. She shines, but for her it's dark and grime. On the inside cries for help, but on the out her eyes are dry. So I say my, oh my, she's no ordinary mind. The world is one big horror story, but you got me by your side. Oh, I said my, dee-da, oh la-dee-da-dee-da, la-da-da-da, da-da-da, la-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Horror Story by Arden Jones. It's a pretty easy song, so if you're new to ukulele, it'll be a good one to kind of practice and get used to. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. A creature